everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would sit down with you and do a get ready. I'm kind of doing this simple, easy, soft spring makeup. I used a lot of baby pinks and glowy skin is what I was going for. And I also wanted to talk to you about my new tattoos that I got and plans for future tattoos. You know what I'm saying? Really, it was just a way for me to sit down and chit chat with you guys. I love chit chat, get ready with me's. I am using a lot of the stuff from my weekly makeup drawer that I have been doing every week. And also a lot of this is stuff that I have been favorites recently. So let's go ahead and jump into the video and start getting ready. Okay, today we're gonna start out with the Loreal Glotion. This guy is one of my favorites recently. I have been loving this. It's just, it says it's a natural glow enhancer. This is in the color 901. So it kind of, you can put it on as a primer, which is what I'm doing today, kind of all over your face to give you just a glow. Gosh, look at it just by itself. It makes your skin look so healthy. Or you can mix it with foundation and stuff like that. Or you could just focus it kind of on the high points of your face before or after makeup, either way. I actually liked mixing this with the foundation and just putting it on with my hands one morning. I was just going to hot yoga and I wanted a super light coverage, but I wanted something on my face, but I still wanted to look glowy and stuff. So I mixed this with my foundation and it was so beautiful. Today, for foundation, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula foundation. Oh my God. I am so obsessed with this foundation. What I've been doing is taking it on the areas where like I really need some coverage and placing it there and then kind of buffing it in to the skin. Maybe I'm so obsessed with this foundation, it's actually ridiculous. Like, I cannot stop using it. I use it over any high-end foundation, any other foundation in my collection. I pick this Physicians Formula one. This is like holy grail to me. Matter of fact, right after I film this video, I'm going to film a favorites, like a current monthly favorites. Maybe I'll call it my March favorites, but it's April. It's April Fool's today. Actually, I'm filming this on Easter. So anyway, this would definitely make it in my favorites for the month and for the year and for life. It's so good. It's so good for drier, more mature skin. I would say it's a light to medium coverage. You can definitely build it a little bit, but I haven't really built it up to full coverage yet. Just because personally I haven't been liking a really full coverage look. So I'm going to take just a tiny bit more down here on my chin where I have some redness. Kind of my breakouts have gone away, but I still have a lot of redness. Like, they're not raised, they're just discolored, which is annoying. Anyway, I love this foundation. I love that I can use it with a beauty blender or a brush. It just looks so good. It looks even better after wearing it a couple of hours. I'm in the color LN3. I just think it is the most beautiful finish. And I have actually been taking my foundation a little bit higher up and using a lot less concealer. I've been doing that the past few weeks and enjoying that. I have been suffering with a little bit of darkness under my eye, so I'm going to take the Becca Correcting Concealer. It's kind of a peach toned corrector, and I'm just putting that right there where the darkness is. I have been trying so hard to get more sleep, but my body is naturally waking up super early, and I don't go to bed as early as I should for waking up as early as I do. You know what I mean? So I feel like my dark circles have been so bad this week because my sleep is just off. Even today, I was like, I'm going to sleep till 8 o'clock and really get in like 8 hours of sleep. And I didn't go to bed till like 1. And then my body just woke up at like 5:55. I was like, this is so frustrating. Okay, this is the Nars Creamy Concealer. And I don't want to use a lot of this, so I'm just going to take this bigger, fluffier side and dip into it ever so slightly and carry that all over my lid and under my eye. I've been super low-key with concealer, but I still have to cover those darn dark circles. So frustrating. And take a tiny bit too on my chin down here and just the center of my face. This Nars concealer is so good. If you're scared of it because it's in a pot, like I was really sketched out by that, don't be. It is so good. I thought it'd be really drying up under the eyes, and it's not at all. It's just, it's good to prime your lids with. It's kind of an all-in-one good concealer. It's good for spot concealing. I don't know. I like it a lot. I haven't been setting my face makeup. I just take my La Mer powder, and this is actually a really fluffy eyeshadow brush, and just set where I put that concealer where I'm afraid it'll crease. I don't really want to set any other area of my face because I've been loving like the super dewy look, and my skin is a little bit dry because of this acne cream that I've been putting on. So in order to not look like I have so much makeup on, it just starts looking cakey if I put powder on top of foundation too. And I got Botox last week, and I swear it kind of raised my brows a little bit, which I've been enjoying. Let's talk about the tattoos, can we? While I do my bronzer, I'm going to use the Buriti Bronzer by RMS Beauty. This bronzer is so beautiful. It is a cooler toned bronzer, just creates a shadow on your face, which is what I want. Okay, my tattoos. So, have you guys seen Forrest Gump? I'm sure everyone has seen that, and I only saw it a few times as a kid. I have a hard time watching it now as an adult, just because of this one part. And it's where I think her name's Jenny. Yeah, her name's Jenny, but I don't have the movie memorized. You know, some people know every line in that movie. I didn't see it that many times, but one of the lines in that movie like really hit right here in my heart for me. I remember seeing it the first time in the theater, and it just pinged me, you know what I mean? And Jenny is saying, make me a bird so I can fly far away from here. And for me, I had kind of some things happen to me whenever I was a kid, and I can remember closing my eyes and thinking, make me a bird so I can fly away from here. And so this is a feather with a whole bunch of birds flying away. And then on this side, I got it to say, be brave, just as a reminder to be brave and fly, you know? So that is the meaning behind my tattoo. And I kind of want to watch Forrest Gump, but every time it gets close to that part, I start getting anxiety, just because I remember so vividly whenever I heard that part in the movie theater, I just like started crying because I just thought that so much. I just thought, make me a bird so I can fly away, you know? So that's the meaning behind my tattoo. And fun fact, I actually have an appointment. Today's Sunday, Easter Sunday. I have an appointment tomorrow to I'm getting like a mermaid right here because, funny story, I used to always tell my sister that I was a mermaid. This is the Hourglass bronzer. I want to take this a little bit down my neck and maybe touch it on my face. This is a really pretty bronzer, but I've been putting like powder bronzers on my neck just to kind of match everything. Anyway, my sister's 8 years younger than me, and I told her that before she was born I was a mermaid. And she literally believed me till she was like a teenager, seriously. So she always wanted to be a fairy, so we got mermaid fairy tattoos. So they drew them up. Hers is just going to be black and white, and mine is going to have some color to it. She actually got hers done last night. But they didn't have time to do mine. So I'm doing mine tomorrow. I will post it on Instagram for y'all. This is the Illamasqua blush in Katy, and it is so beautiful. It's just really a pretty baby pink, and I love it. For highlighter, I'm going to take this Anastasia X Nicole Guererro Glow Kit. I pulled this from my makeup basket this week, and I have been enjoying it a lot. I'm going to take the shade Forever Young, which is kind of more of a pinky highlighter, but these are beautiful. So yesterday I took this Luminous Bronze Light Highlighter from Hourglass and I put it in my crease, and it was just so beautiful in the crease. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to take it on this big fluffy brush and just pop it up in the crease. I thought about filming my Botox experience a couple weeks ago, but I didn't end up doing it. It was actually, listen, it was a Botox party. Have you guys ever heard of those? I got Botox 2 years ago for my headaches. I got 20 units in my head, and it really did make my headaches go away. So I got it again because my headaches started coming back after a couple of years, and also my lines. I had 2 super deep lines in my forehead. So anyway, I got 40 units this time, but I got it at a party, and it was discounted. It was only $4 a unit, which is crazy because I think at the doctor's office I go to, it's $10 a unit. So it was super cheap. I want to take a little bit to under my lower lash line because I'm going to actually wear mascara on my lower lashes today. I don't wear mascara on my lower lashes whenever I go to the gym. I've been wearing so much less makeup lately. I'm going to pop on this Stila Magnificent Metal. This is in the color Ballet Baby, which is the cutest name ever. And it's a really pretty pink. It kind of matches that blush. It's like a beautiful ballet slipper pink. Oh, it's so pretty. And I'm just kind of lightly putting it all over my lid. And this applicator makes my life so easy. Because you just do one side, flip the applicator, and it has enough product to do the other side, and you're done. I put on some mascara, and I'm just going to take that bronzer one more time and go over my crease a little bit. Oh, so pretty. And then I'm going to take this Everyday Minerals. This is in my makeup basket this week. It is a fresh glowing velvet eyeshadow. But it's really unique. It's kind of a brightener, like a highlighter, but it's matte. But look at it. I've been using it on my inner corner and I just love it. I think it brightens while still being matte, so it's not too overpowering for an inner corner highlight. I don't know, I've been loving it this week. And I've also been kind of taking it on a fluffy brush and kind of at the very end of my makeup, just really focusing it right here where I get the darkness that I've been talking about, and it just really brightens a lot. I love this product. I know it's super simple, but it's just like soft, springy makeup. You know what I mean? And so I'm going to stick with that, and I'm going to just do a really soft, simple, glossy lip. Nothing else. No lip liner, no lipstick. This is Buxom Gloss and Dolly. These are so... This is like the original Holy Grail formula of these. It's kind of like a plumping gloss. You know, it's a little bit tingly, but it's so pigmented for a gloss. So pretty and so easy, and it just feels good. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me, enjoyed hearing about my tattoos, and just hanging out with me on this Easter Sunday. If you do celebrate Easter, I hope you had a fantastic day yesterday and with your friends and family or whoever you celebrate it with. If not, I hope you had a rockin' Sunday too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.